Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make and can chicken broth. First, gather your ingredients: chicken bones, a few carrots, celery stalks, an onion, and some fresh herbs like parsley and thyme. Place all these items into a large stock pot. Add enough cold water to cover everything by about 2 inches. This initial step is crucial for extracting maximum flavor from your ingredients. Once your ingredients are in the pot, bring the water to a gentle simmer over medium heat. It's important not to boil it vigorously. As it heats, you'll notice foam rising. Skim this off during the first hour to keep your broth clear. Let it simmer uncovered for at least 4 hours or even up to 8 hours to develop a rich, deep flavor. After simmering, carefully remove the solids from your broth. Strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth into a clean container. This ensures a clear, smooth broth. Discard the bones and vegetables. Now, it's crucial to cool the broth rapidly. You can place the container in an ice bath or refrigerate it immediately to prevent bacterial growth. For safe storage, pressure canning is essential. Heat your clean canning jars and lids. Fill the hot jars with your hot broth, leaving 1 inch of headspace. Wipe the rims clean, center the lids, and apply bands fingertip tight. Process pint jars for 20 minutes and quart jars for 25 minutes at 10 pounds of pressure, adjusting for altitude. This ensures a shelf-stable product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.